Hi, this is Adam with SERVPRO of North Shasta. This is SERVPRO's Tips on the Go. Members of the SERVPRO franchise community are already doing a significant amount of work in terms of cleanup and disinfection. But in case you're unable to have us come and clean for you, we wanted to give you some tips on how to clean around your home. Tip number 1, there is a difference between cleaning and disinfecting. Cleaning actually refers to the removal of germs and dirt and impurities from the surfaces, but it doesn't exactly kill the germs. Disinfecting actually kills the germs, but it doesn't mean that it's cleaning or removing the dirt from the surface. Now, for the safety of your home, it's important that you do both. Tip number 2, properly using disinfecting products. Many disinfecting products actually have a time frame needing to remain wet on the surface for it to fully disinfect. Lysol, for example, needs to remain wet on a surface for 3 minutes, and to kill something like the norovirus, it needs to remain wet for up to 10 minutes. Tip number 3, wear disposable gloves when you're cleaning or disinfecting. Now, if you do not have disposable gloves, make sure that you designate the gloves you're wearing specifically for cleaning and disinfecting. Tip number 4, clean and disinfect high-touch surface areas. Now, the CDC recommends that we clean and disinfect all of the high-touch surface areas in our home at least once daily. Now, here are a few high-touch surface areas to keep in mind. Doorknobs, table surfaces, chairs, kitchen counters, bathroom counters, faucets and faucet knobs, toilets, light switches, TV remote controls, game controllers, and cell phones. From all of us here at SERVPRO of North Shasta, we want to encourage all of you watching to stay safe, stay home, and as you can see, we're shooting from my backyard, and most importantly, stay hopeful. Now, we know this situation isn't anything that anyone would have wished for, but it is important to remember that this will come to an end. Life will return back to normal and hopefully be even better than it was before. If you have any tips or questions you want answered, feel free to leave them down in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.